Hello YouTube! This is the last video of our tutorial where we add SSL certificate to our website. After creating the website, when we visit it, as you will see, the connection is not secure. Before installing free certificate, we must enable the secure connection requests. Go to the instance page at the EC2 dashboard. Click to your instance, select Security tab down below and click to Security Groups. We must add an inbound rule, thus click to edit inbound rules. Click Add Rule button and select HTTPS as inbound type. Choose source as anywhere and add a clear description to it. Click Save Rules and check if the security group is changed accordingly. Then go to your terminal with SSH connection. First of all, we add a new configuration to the application configuration file in Apache. Therefore, edit the file at etc apache2 sites available app.conf. Copy the complete code of virtual host tag and paste it right under the first one. The only thing we will change is the port number to 443 for the second virtual host tag. Save the file and quit. We have to make a few installations before getting the certificate. First one is snapd package. It is normally installed, but we have to make sure. Secondly, we successively run sudo snap install core and sudo snap refresh core. Then we remove the certbot if it is installed already. And we install certbot using snap instead of apt. Thus the code is sudo snap install -- classic certbot. Finally, we link the certbot in the snap folder to the one inside user folder. After this, we are ready to certify our domain, and we type sudo certbot -- apache. It automatically reads servers and aliases from the configuration file and installs SSL certificates. Now the process has finished, we just check our website and be amazed that it supports HTTPS requests. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.